Ever feel like you've seen everything nature has to offer? Think again. Our planet is home to creatures so bizarre, so fantastical, they seem to have leaped straight out of a storybook. From smiling salamanders to dragons that aren't dragons at all. Get ready to meet the animals you won't believe are real. First up, let us dive into the waters of Mexico to meet the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom, the axolotl. Look at this little guy. Often called the walking fish. It's not a fish at all, but a salamander that refuses to grow up. It keeps its feathery, external gills and stays in the water its whole life. But its real superpower: regeneration. An axolotl can regrow entire limbs, parts of its brain, and even its heart. It's like a real-life superhero, a testament to nature's incredible ability to heal and adapt. They are critically endangered, so seeing one is a rare and special privilege. Their charming, almost smiling faces have made them famous, but their survival in the wild hangs by a thread. Now, let's journey into the rainforests of Central and South America, and I'll need you to look very, very closely. Perched on a leaf, you might spot the glass frog. At first glance, it looks like a typical, cute green frog. But shine a light on it from below, and you'll see why it has its name. Its belly is completely transparent. You can see its tiny heart beating, its digestive system at work, and even the food it just ate. This isn't a magic trick. It's a unique form of camouflage called edge diffusion. The see-through skin helps the frog's outline blend seamlessly with the leaf it's sitting on, making it almost invisible to predators from below. It's a living, breathing anatomy lesson, and a beautiful example of how evolution can find the most creative solutions for survival. Next, we're heading out to the open ocean to find something that looks like a mythical creature. Meet the Glaucus atlanticus, better known as the blue dragon sea slug. This tiny, vibrant blue creature is only about an inch long, but don't let its size fool you. It's a formidable predator. The blue dragon floats upside down on the water's surface, carried by the winds and currents. Its diet is what makes it truly remarkable. It preys on venomous siphonophores, like the Portuguese man-o'-war. The blue dragon is immune to their stinging cells. In fact, it eats them, stores the most potent stinging cells in its own body, and uses them for its own defense. So, this beautiful little dragon is packing some serious, stolen firepower. A stunning, yet dangerous, gem of the sea. From the ocean to the forests and grasslands of Asia and Africa, we find an animal that looks like a walking pine cone, the pangolin. This shy, nocturnal mammal is the only one in the world covered from head to toe in tough, overlapping scales, made of keratin, the same stuff as our fingernails. When a pangolin feels threatened, it doesn't fight back. Instead, it curls up into a tight, armored ball, protecting its soft underbelly. This defense is almost impenetrable for most predators, like lions and tigers. Sadly, this unique feature has also made them the most trafficked mammals in the world. Their scales and meat are highly sought after, pushing all 8 species towards extinction. Seeing a pangolin unroll and cautiously explore its surroundings is a poignant reminder of what we stand to lose. Prepare yourself for a stare-down. In the swamps of tropical East Africa lives a bird that looks like it came from the prehistoric era, the shoebill stork. Standing up to 5 feet tall with an 8-foot wingspan, its most defining feature is its enormous, shoe-shaped bill. This isn't just for show. That massive bill ends in a sharp hook, perfect for catching and crushing its prey, which includes large fish like lungfish and even baby crocodiles. The shoebill is a patient hunter, often standing motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike with lightning speed. Its intense, unblinking gaze can feel a little unnerving, giving it an almost statue-like, intimidating presence. It's a powerful and ancient-looking bird that commands respect. Let's switch gears from intimidating to irresistibly adorable. Welcome to Rottnest Island in Australia, home of the happiest animal on Earth, the quokka. This small marsupial, about the size of a domestic cat, has a natural, built-in smile that has charmed people worldwide. Quokkas are incredibly friendly and curious, often approaching humans without fear. But it's important to remember they are wild animals and should be treated with respect. Their smile is just a result of their facial muscle structure, but it's impossible not to feel a little happier looking at them. Watching them hop around, nibbling on leaves, and interacting with each other is a pure dose of joy. They're a perfect example that nature has a soft and cuddly side too. From the land of smiles, we travel to the scorching sands of the Sahara Desert to meet an expert in survival, the fennec fox. This is the smallest fox in the world, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in ears. Just look at those things. Its enormous ears, which can be up to 6 inches long, serve two crucial purposes. First, they provide exceptional hearing, allowing the fox to detect prey moving underground. Second, and more importantly, they act as radiators, helping to dissipate body heat and keep the fox cool in the extreme desert temperatures. With its thick, sandy-colored fur for insulation and camouflage, and furry paws that protect it from the hot ground, the fennec fox is a masterpiece of desert adaptation. And let's be honest, it's also one of the cutest canids on the planet. Back to the ocean we go, off the coast of Australia, where we'll find one of the most masterful examples of camouflage in the entire animal kingdom. This is the leafy sea dragon. It's not a plant, it's not seaweed, it's a fish. Closely related to the seahorse. Its entire body is adorned with intricate, leaf-like appendages that allow it to blend in perfectly with the kelp and seaweed it calls home. As it drifts gently with the current, it becomes virtually indistinguishable from this incredible disguise, protects it from predators while allowing it to ambush its own prey, tiny crustaceans and plankton. The leafy sea dragon is a fragile and mesmerizing creature. A living piece of art that shows how far evolution will go to create the perfect illusion. From the regenerative axolotl and the transparent glass frog, to the venom-stealing blue dragon and the armored pangolin. From the prehistoric stare of the shoebill and the joyful smile of the quokka, to the giant ears of the fennec fox and the perfect camouflage of the leafy sea dragon. These are just a few of the millions of incredible species that share our planet. Each one is a unique and irreplaceable marvel of evolution, with its own story and its own special place in the web of life. Their existence reminds us that the world is full of wonder, mystery, and beauty, far beyond what we can imagine. Let us make sure we protect this biodiversity so that future generations can also marvel at the animals you won't believe exist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the amazing world of nature.